Hello friends, my name is Saurav. I am from Pivot Trading. I welcome you all to this YouTube channel. So friends, in this particular video, we will be looking into one of the option strategy, which is also called as the contra option strategy. Here we are going to work on two options of instrument of two options. Options of two instruments, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so the concept here is that we are taking a long position in one of the options, that is in one of the instrument, and we are taking the short positions or the covered short positions in the option of another instrument. Now the idea goes this way: all those who are experienced into the options trading, or those who have been doing options trading since last couple of months or days, would know that the options of Bank Nifty are always expensive in comparison to the options of Nifty. Now the reason being, Nifty is a very stable instrument, stable index, whereas Bank Nifty is highly volatile. That is why, because of the increased volatility, the options premium of the Bank Nifty are always more than the premium of the Nifty options. Okay, so now considering this scenario, what we do is we try to create long positions, that is, we buy the options of Nifty because they are available cheaply, and we sell the options of Bank Nifty because we know that the premium of the options in the Bank Nifty are more, or they are more expensive. So it is always advisable that we buy the cheaper things and sell the expensive things, so that we have a great profit probability. Now this does not guarantee that we will be making profit every day, but I will show you the way, I will show you the technique in which you can make an overall average profit at the end of the month in most of the cases, in most of the months. Okay, so now what we are doing is, if you can look at the screen, in the center you can see we are buying two options, that is straddle, that is Nifty options we are buying at the money call and at the money put. Now based on the prices of this at the money call and put Nifty options, we decide on the options of the Bank Nifty in such a way that the total premium that we get from the Bank Nifty options by selling it and the premium that we incur in buying the options are almost same, so that in case if the market remains range bound, or if there is no bigger movement in the market, the options premium that we receive from the Bank Nifty nullifies the options that we pay for the Nifty. Okay, I hope till now it's getting clear. So this is the main concept that we are going to use in this particular strategy. And as I mentioned before, see, Nifty is kind of non-volatile index and Bank Nifty is highly volatile. So now if we buy Nifty and if we sell Bank Nifty, we are at a higher risk, because Bank Nifty can outperform Nifty, and since Bank Nifty is highly volatile, it can go a good amount in the upside direction or the good amount in the downside direction. Now in such scenario, the probability of losses in the Bank Nifty could be very high. Okay, now to protect these losses, we are doing the covered selling of the Bank Nifty options. That is, we sell the near options, near call and put, near money call and put of the Bank Nifty options, and we buy far out of the money call and put options in the Bank Nifty, so that even if the Bank Nifty goes abrupt, Bank Nifty tries to behave abruptly, there is a limited loss in the Bank Nifty options. But now on the other side, if the Bank Nifty behaves abruptly, let's say Bank Nifty goes up by 2000 points or goes down by 2000 points, then we will be having a limited loss in the Bank Nifty options, because we have covered it with buying the out of the money call and put options. But if the Bank Nifty is making such an abrupt move, such a drastic move, so definitely Nifty is not going to sit idle. If Bank Nifty is making 2000 points, Nifty is definitely going to make 300, 400 points. And in that case, our at the money call and put is going to give us a drastical profit, and overall results will turn out to be a profit. Okay, so let me just show you today's result. Today was an expiry day in the Bank Nifty, in the weekly options and in the Nifty options. So here you can see we have got a profit of 2,950 at the end of the day, that is at the market closing. And during intraday, the maximum profit that has reached was 3,200. However, the loss that is shown here is -5. This is because this two data issue, but otherwise the loss has not been more than 300 rupees. So the spike which you see is basically data issue, because we take data from the data vendor and sometimes the data does not come accurate for a specific time interval. or specific minute. So in that case, you might be able to see such kind of spikes. You can ignore such spikes. So basically, the losses has not been more than 300 rupees, which you can see here, this small bar which you see here. So losses are not more than 300 rupees, and the profit has been good. Now today was an expiry day, so Bank Nifty is already running at a higher premium. So definitely its premium has to go to its premium has to get reduced as the time passes by in the expiry. So that is how we made money in this particular strategy. Now, how do you use this practically? So not every day are going to be a choosy or pleasy or cheesy days like today, where you will be making 2,000, 3,000 or 4,000 rupees profit. Some days Bank Nifty may outperform, Nifty may not move at all. Okay, in that cases the profit may not be so. So in that case, how do you manage your trades? So there comes a concept of money management. Okay, how does the concept of money management comes here is, so let's say if today is your first day of trading this strategy, you start with one lot. Okay, let's say you make 3,000 rupees profit. Good. Tomorrow again you continue with one single lot. Now it is possible that tomorrow you might not be making the profit. There are possibilities that you might be making the losses tomorrow. So if you make a loss on the other day, that is day after tomorrow, do it with two lots, because it is not possible, practically impossible, that Bank Nifty makes an abrupt move every day and Nifty does not move from its original position. Okay, this is damn impossible for a consecutive 3-4 days in a sequence. Okay, that is not at all possible. So if not today, tomorrow, if not tomorrow, day after tomorrow, this strategy has to give you profit. So what we do in the money management, today we do it with one lot. Let's say we make it profit. Tomorrow again we continue with the one lot. If tomorrow we make loss, we increase the lot to two lots. If on the second day also we make loss, on the next day we increase it to 3 lots or 4 lots. So this is how you you increase the quantities, or you manage your portfolio, or you manage your trading size, and whenever you make the profit, it will cover your previous losses as well. So because this is highly protected strategy, highly safe strategy, even if there are losses on a specific day, it cannot be a big loss, because we have sell the Nifty or Bank Nifty options, but we have covered it. So definitely there has to be a limited loss only, and those loss can be covered consecutive day on the next coming day if we do it with increased lot size. Okay, so that is the strategy that you can follow if you are doing intraday trading. But this strategy can also be applied positionally, and in a swing trading, you can make very good money with this strategy. I will show you. Personally, I am doing this. I will show you in my trading account what has been the result and how you can do this positionally. But the constraint with the positional trading is you have to keep on adding the positions, and you have to wait till the end of the month. Okay, you cannot you cannot ripe the fruits so easily, harvest the fruits so easily in this strategy if you're doing it positionally. You have to keep patience till the end of the month, and you don't have to do in the weekly options, you have to trade in the monthly options. So I will show you from here. Just look at the screen. Here you can see we have monthly options. So I will select the monthly options and I will click the refresh button here. So it will populate the monthly options of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, see, in monthly options it is showing a loss of 250 rupees. Okay, and again just ignore this. This is because of some random spike data issue which has been occurred. So just ignore that. Just look at this. So the end of day profit has been minus 250. So if you are doing it positionally, you have to repeat this strategy every day somewhere during the day. Okay, you can do it in the morning, you can do it in the afternoon, you can even do it in the late afternoon, or during the last half an hour, or in the post lunch session, or in the first half an hour session. Anytime you can execute this strategy. Okay, it is monthly option strategy. You do it today, you wait till the end of the month, till the expiry. Now the beauty is, I will show you how it is beneficial. So this is the monthly strategy. Okay, now I will show you its payoff graph. How to find out the payoff graph? You click on the design strategy button. I click on the design strategy. Okay, so first I will execute the payoff only for the Bank Nifty. So I will remove this Nifty options here, and let me again open this, and I will execute the graph only for the Nifty. So let me remove Bank Nifty from here. So here we will see the payoff graph of Nifty, and here we will see the payoff graph of Bank Nifty. Okay, so first let us see the payoff graph of Nifty, that is whatever monthly options we are trading in the Nifty. Let's see what is its payoff graph. So here you can see the maximum loss is 24,597. That is approximately 25,000 is the maximum loss that you will get in this strategy if the Nifty does not move for the entire month from 17,450 to 17,450. Okay, if it remains there itself, which is practically impossible, but let's assume that it remains there itself till the end of the month. So you will be making a loss of 24,597. Okay, now let's take the payoff graph of Bank Nifty. So this is the payoff graph of Bank Nifty, and here you can see that at some point, this is the interval, this is the time period, 36,300, this is the range, 36,300 to 37,900, almost 1,600 points, a range of 1,600 points. If the Bank Nifty remains in this 1,600 points of range, you will make a profit of 21,740. Okay, so the concept is, if Nifty remains as it is there at 17,450, Bank Nifty is not going to make more than 1,600 points of move. Okay, so definitely you will make this 21,740. So this is your profit. Okay, now it is also practically impossible that all days that you do this, the Nifty and Bank Nifty are going to follow the same range. They will be keep changing. Okay, so if any one particular day strategy gives you some specific 2-3,000 loss, some other day strategy will give you 4-5,000 profit or 10-20,000 profit. Okay, so that is how this entire concept works. You just keep on adding this position day by day. Now the only restriction, only thing here is that since this is a positional strategy, and you will need at least approximately 1 lakh rupees, 75,000 to 1 lakh rupees to execute a strategy for any particular day. Okay, so if you're doing it for the entire month, that is 20 sessions are there in on an average 20 trading sessions are there in a month. So if you're doing it for 20 consecutive days in a month, you will need approximately 17 to 20 lakh rupees if you're doing it very religiously. But you know what, you can assume, you can just see the profit here with the Bank Nifty is 21,000, and let's say if Nifty makes some kind of move, Nifty does not sit here. So you can see if Nifty, let's say, makes 400-500 points move, you can see this will also turn into profit, and Bank Nifty is also going to turn into profit. So one single day can give you a profit of 20 to 30,000 rupees. Like guys, we are doing it for 20 days. So some day it could be 5,000 profit, some day it could be 10,000, some day it could be 20,000, some day it could be 25,000, some day it could be loss of 20,000 also. Okay, so the amount of profit that you will see at the end of the day could be very huge. So that is the entire concept of the strategy if you are doing it positionally. But only thing is, you need to keep patience, you need to keep looking at your positions very patiently and hold it for the whole month. Now I will show you my trading account where I'm running this strategy since last 4 to 5 trading sessions, and I'm going to continue this for another couple of days. So this is my trading account, and so just let it load. It's little slow. Okay, so let me just sort it out with the symbol. So here you can see I have added Nifty option 17,400 call input, 17,300 call input, 17,200 call input, 17,000 call input. Okay, you can see in 17,000 I am making a profit of 400 rupees today. At some we are making a loss of 100 rupees today. So here also there is a Bank Nifty also. So at the bottom you can see Bank Nifty options are also there. Okay, what is the profit for today? 22,000. Now this profit is today's profit, but it also includes my some other position, like I have some positions of Coal India also, so it includes some 10-11,000 of profit from the Coal India also. But otherwise, if we look for the Nifty and Bank Nifty combined this strategy positions for today, my today MTM comes out to be 10 to 12,000 rupees with this strategy. So I am still holding it. I will hold it for the end of the month. Now what I do is, whenever I see a loss in the MTM of any particular day, okay, I build on the positions. I don't add the positions every day, because otherwise I would need 20 lakh rupees or 17 to 20 lakh rupees. So what I do is, I take the position today. If tomorrow this position turns out to be into loss, my net result for the daily MTM is loss, I build up another position. I take another add on another position for next day. Then on the coming day, if again my net result of this strategy for the last 2 days combined, if the net MTM for the day is coming as negative, I again add on one more position on from that particular day. So I will have 3 lots. So similarly, you can see now I have add on like 4. I have add on 17,400, 17,300, 17,200, 17,000. So I am adding this position since last 4 days because 4 times I have seen my daily MTM going into loss of 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, whatever. So I am building on this position, but now you can see today I have not added the positions because today I have got a profit of 12,000 rupees in this strategy. So all my 1,000, 2,000 in the last 3-4 days has got covered today itself, and it will increase further in the due course of time till the monthly expiry arrives. Okay, so this is the entire concept. I hope this is little bit bit complex to understand, but I hope I've tried my best to explain the various scenarios and how it can generate a good profit for you at the end of the month. So this strategy is called as protected contra straddle. Now we are using the view as Nifty being a trending and Bank Nifty being the ranging, because we are selling the Bank Nifty options. So we can make profit only when Nifty is trending and Bank Nifty is range bound. Okay, if the other way is the scenario on a particular day, then we might see this as the loss and that particular day. So there is also another variant of this strategy which I have put it just below this, where we are assuming that the Bank Nifty is going to be trending and Nifty is going to be range bound. So what we are doing is we are buying at the money Bank Nifty options call and put, and we are selling Nifty call and put in the covered manner for out of the money, okay, with two lots. So if Bank Nifty goes trending and Nifty becomes range bound, then this particular strategy might give you profit. But to be very honest, Bank Nifty is highly expensive in terms of options premium because of its volatility. That is why this second option will only give profit on very rare days when Bank Nifty may outperform because of the Nifty. So in that case only you will see this second strategy, second approach might give you profit. So I would highly recommend that always concentrate on the first strategy. Now why I have created second strategy? Because there are many intellectuals who always tries to find some or the other negative aspect of any particular strategy. So the only negative aspect of the first strategy was if the Nifty remains range bound and Bank Nifty remains trending, then this strategy will give this approach will give loss. So that is why I have added another option. If someone has a view of Bank Nifty is going to remain trending and the Nifty is going to remain range bound, then that particular person can use the second option, second variant of this strategy, and that would give the profit in the intraday. Okay, so that was all that I wanted to explain in this particular strategy. But before I leave, I would like to request everyone, if you have liked this video, if you like this strategy, please give a thumbs up. Show your contribution, show your support by subscribing the channel, show your support by sharing this video with your other colleagues in your other groups, and at least by giving one like. Okay, I will meet you soon in my another video. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Take care.